Now, Purnima wants to know how safe are arbitrage funds? Should they form a part of an investor's portfolio?
Sure. So first of all, let me try and explain what are arbitrage funds in the first place. Well, these are the funds which try to capture or benefit from the mispricing opportunities between the cash and the futures market in the equity segment. And that is how they earn returns. Now, let me try and take an oversimplistic example to illustrate this. So let's say there is a stock which trades both in the cash as well as the futures market. And in the cash market, let's say its stock price is rupees 100, while in the futures market, it is trading at rupees 101. So spotting this price differential, what an arbitrage fund can do is to buy the stock in the cash market at rupees 100 and sell it in the futures market for rupees 101, and thereby it locks this rupee 1 differential through these trades. Now what happens is that on the settlement day in the futures market, which happens towards the end of the month, the prices would converge between the cash market and the futures market, and that is when the fund can simply reverse these transactions. So it can sell this stock in the cash market and it can buy it in the futures market, thereby undoing the trades that it did initially. And once it does that, it is sure to get or pocket this rupee 1 differential irrespective of where the price is on the settlement day. So irrespective of whether the stock price has crashed to rupees 50 on the settlement day or it has gone up to rupees 150, irrespective of that, the fund is sure to pocket this rupee 1 of return. And that is essentially what an arbitrage fund looks to do to earn the returns. And if it does not find enough mispricing opportunities to execute such trades, till that time it parks the money in more of liquid fund like securities. So securities like treasury bills or fixed deposits of very short duration. These are the kind of instruments where it keeps the money parked. Now, these funds from a risk perspective are fairly low on risk. They might turn out to be a bit volatile over very short periods, but for investment horizons of say upwards of 3 months, the chances of earning negative returns are fairly low. So from that standpoint, they have a fairly low degree of risk. But also note that you can't expect very high returns from them. You can only expect returns similar to that of a liquid fund. So expect to earn just slightly better than a savings bank account from these funds. And that's why these funds are not suitable if your goal is to generate wealth in the long run. They have relevance for investors who are looking to park their money for say a few months to up to an year, and even there they are more relevant for investors who are in the higher tax bracket of 30%, because unlike liquid funds, these funds are able to fetch the preferential tax treatment of an equity fund, and therefore that tends to lower the tax liability for investors who are in a higher tax bracket. So for those kind of investors, they might have a limited appeal, but for others looking to invest for a very short duration, liquid funds can just be good enough.